So today we're looking at the Ferrex Cordless Circular Saw. Includes a 2-amp battery and USB-C cable. So 85mm carbide saw blade, adjustable cutting angle, charging via USB-C, which I think is going to be great because I'm hoping to charge this while in the car. LED battery charge indicator, spindle lock, soft grip for comfortable operation with LED work light. So especially excited for this as it's going to be great help doing odd jobs on the allotment and in the garden. So look at what we got. Instructions, cordless circular saw, we've got a box, we've got the battery, USB-C cable, charging USB-C, and this is the lights to tell us whether it's charged, Ferrex, and then we've got the saw. Look at that, it's looking really good. Little mini saw, we've got guard, that's looking really cool. We've got rubber on the bottom, rubber handle, we've got 2 buttons to press the trigger, and we've got the settings. We've got 2 guards here, one for diagonal, one for straight, and to change the diagonal we've got here 0 to 26, adjust this, and then we can adjust height, and we adjust these for the angle. So we've got 45 degree and back to normal, pretty straightforward. So battery 12 volts, clicks in the bottom, press the buttons, there we go. That is really cool. Just one hand, you could just grab this and cut. So easy. So let's find something to cut. How was that? Whoa! There we go. What a nice clean cut that is. I think I need to recharge the battery. Now it's plugged into the USB-C. We can see it's charging, it's flashing red, so it's charging. So doing this in the car, so hopefully that will charge it up after a 30-minute drive, and that would be great. So how's that? Pretty good cut, I would have thought, and just from a little handheld saw. That is really good. We just remove the battery, charge it up, and there we go.